Hello everyone, let's continue our journey in enterprise architecture. Today we are going to introduce workflow. A workflow represents the complete end-to-end business process of an business activity. How to define a workflow? First, we need to select a business activity that the workflow will describe. Collect information about business activity. This includes identify business events, identify stakeholders, identify stakeholder organizations, identify roles, and identify the sequence of business tasks. We need BPMN to describe workflows. So, what is BPMN? BPMN is a graphical language used for business process modeling. It helps us describe business processes within an enterprise in a visual way, facilitating mutual understanding between business and technical teams. Events are generally divided into three types. The start event marks the beginning of a business process. It does not have any preceding tasks. The intermediate event occurs in the middle of a process and is used to influence the flow, trigger specific actions, or reflect changes in the state of process. The end event marks the completion of a business process. It typically occurs alongside the outcome or completion condition of the processes. A gateway is a key element that controls the sequence flow. Exclusive gateway. When the sequence flow enters the gateway, the defined conditions for each branch are evaluated, and only the branch that meets the condition is selected to continue execution. Parallel gateway. When the sequence flow enters the gateway, all ongoing branches are selected to continue execution. Inclusive gateway. When the sequence flow enters the gateway, conditions are evaluated, and one or more branches that meet the conditions are selected to continue execution. It's important to note that gateways always appear in pairs. The opening gateway creates branches, and the subsequent gateway merges them back. Multiple levels of nested gateways can be used, and this paired structure helps ensure clear business logic. A sequence flow is used to represent the order in which tasks are executed within a business process. An information flow is used to represent the transfer of information between different participants in a business process. A sequence flow describes the handoff of work within an enterprise, while an information flow describes the exchange of information between enterprises. A pod is a container for lanes, representing the responsibility area of an enterprise or a stakeholder organization in a business process, and then represents the responsibility area of different roles within a pod. Let's use BPMN to illustrate the workflow. It is important to note that a workflow only covers information at the two levels of business activity and business task. It distinguishes between internal and external boundaries of the enterprise and the role responsibilities, showing business processes under different conditions. However, it does not reflect the specific business steps or the business area and the business phrase to which business activity belong. Okay, You can subscribe to my channel. Welcome to leave a comment. See you next time.